Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to wear a navy blue smoky eye, especially when you combine it with a little bit of glitter. It looks absolutely gorgeous and I can't wait to show you how to get this look. So now without further ado, let's get started. To prep my skin, I will first start with spritzing my face with some water. If you want, you can also switch it up with a toner. Post that, I am applying a moisturizer. This one's by Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. To hydrate my under eye area, I am using the Indulgio Rejuvenating Eye Serum. To moisturize my lips, I am using the Baby Lips Lip Balm by Maybelline. Post these steps, I like to wait for at least 10 minutes so that my skin can absorb all the goodness of the skincare that I just did. Next, I'm spraying my face with the PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. After that, I'm applying the Milani Prime Perfection Primer all over my face. And to fill in the pores of my forehead, nosy and under eye area, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. To neutralize the pigmentation around my mouth, I'm using an orange color corrector. This one is by Miss Claire. In case you are interested in a detailed explanation on color correction, I'll leave the link for it in the I button. For foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation stick in the shade 4. I love how sheer and long lasting this foundation is, though it's a little drying on my face, but it should work absolutely fine if you prep your skin thoroughly before. And to blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty blender. To highlight my features like the under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy, I'm using a combination of the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in the shade 2 and the dual ended contour stick by Wet n Wild in the shade medium. To blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty blender. What this will do is that because this combination is lighter than my skin tone, it will pull these features forward and in turn make them appear more bigger and prominent. To sculpt and to give my face some dimension and structure, I'm using this contouring shade from the Sivana Colors Ultra Blush palette on my cheekbones, circumference of my face, to chisel my jawline and the sides of my nose with my angled brush. To give some color to my cheeks, I'm using this corally pink shade from the Sivana Colors Ultra Blush palette. To clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the MAC Takeover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude. And to highlight the top of my cheeks and the bridge and tip of my nose, I'm using this shimmery bronze shade from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette. To set my concealer in place, I'm using the new Master Fix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using this brown eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow palette, and to spread the color across so that it looks more natural, I'm using a spoolie. To get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. I'm first dipping into this light pink shade from the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty with my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To deepen my outer corner, I'm picking up this navy blue shade from the Swiss Beauty palette with my pack brush in the style 126, and then I'm blending it away with my dual-ended brush by ABH Cosmetics. Next, I'm saturating the middle of my lid with this glittery blue shade from the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics. For the inner corner of my eye, I'm using this sky blue shade from the Sephora Color Festival Blockbuster palette with my flat short shader brush. Here I'm just blending the two shades using my pack brush in the style 126 so that there are no harsh edges. To draw out a wing in my outer corner, I'm using this charcoal shade from the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics with my flat angled brush, and I'm smudging it using my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. For my lower lash line, I'm smoking this navy blue eyeshadow from the Swiss Beauty palette with my pack brush in the style 126. To fill in my waterline, I'm using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada, and I'm smudging it using my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this shimmery light pink shade from the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty with my flat short shader brush. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'm coating my lashes with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For falsies, I'll be wearing the Pixie Lashes by Swiss Beauty. Unfortunately, I lost the footage for this step, so my apologies. For lipstick, I'm using this Nude Peach shade Tease by Faces Canada. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a blue suit and some traditional jewelry and my bindi. Of course, you can pair it with any attire of your choice. Personally, I love wearing colorful smoky looks with traditional attires. Do let me know what are your favorite combinations in the comment section down below. And in case you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.